Imagine making money from crypto without the risks of traditional trading. Sounds too good to be true. What if I told you there's a way to earn risk-free profits using just price differences across exchanges? This is the hidden world of crypto arbitrage, and today, I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can start profiting from it. Crypto arbitrage is a strategy where traders take advantage of price differences for the same cryptocurrency across different exchanges. Since crypto markets are decentralized, prices can vary due to liquidity, demand, and trading volume. For example, Bitcoin might be priced at $40,000 on Binance but $40,500 on Coinbase. If you buy it on Binance and sell on Coinbase instantly, you secure a 500 profit per BTC, without taking any market risk. There are several ways to profit from arbitrage. 1. Simple arbitrage, buying low on one exchange and selling high on another. 2. Triangular arbitrage, exploiting price differences between three trading pairs within a single exchange. Example: BTC right pointing arrow ETH right pointing arrow USDT right pointing arrow BTC. 3. Spatial arbitrage, profiting from price variations between exchanges in different countries. For example, the kimchi premium in South Korea often makes Bitcoin more expensive there. 4. DeFi arbitrage, using decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and PancakeSwap, sometimes with flash loans, to take advantage of price differences in decentralized finance. How to find arbitrage opportunities. Use arbitrage bots like Bitsgap, CryptoHopper, and Panex to automate trades. Monitor price differences on platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Keep an eye on news events. Big announcements often cause temporary price mismatches. While arbitrage sounds easy, there are challenges. Transfer fees, moving crypto between exchanges can eat into your profits. Withdrawal limits, some exchanges have daily withdrawal caps. Slippage, prices can change while transferring funds. Regulatory issues, some countries impose restrictions on crypto trading. Crypto arbitrage is one of the safest ways to profit from the market, if done correctly. By using the right tools, monitoring price gaps, and executing trades quickly, you can make consistent gains with minimal risk. Want to learn more about making money with crypto? Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video.